Here we have Tech Team's Cowboy Gate Latch. If you're tired of getting off your horse or getting off your four-wheeler every time you need to open a gate, well, this is the item for you. This latch assembly attaches quickly and easily with just 6 clamps, no welding involved, and hooks right up to your tubular steel farm gate. If you've ever seen something like this on somebody else's farm and you're a little bit jealous, well, this is your chance. No welding, all right? Because anything else you see out there involves a custom welding job, and this guy just attaches with those clamps, 15 minutes, and you're good to go. We've also designed this so it's completely ambidextrous. Right here we have it hooked up on the left-hand gate, but of course you can flip around the various components and put it on the right-hand gate. Not only do the mounting brackets have these oblong holes that allow it to be attached to gates with various diameter tubings, the brackets are also punched so that you can lag this to wooden posts or wooden gates. This guy has a toggle function, which you can see right here, that allows it to move back and forth smoothly, and then it runs through these 2 guides so it's held in position and doesn't bind. These brackets are designed to attach to the horizontal members of the gate, whereas this bracket is designed to attach on the vertical tube on the gate. The reason we set this up so it can move on the vertical member of the gate is that we know that over time gates can and do move. I mean, the gates will sag, you get a little frost heaving, and the next thing you know, things are out of alignment. So we've designed this to go the vertical so you can move it up and down so it works perfectly all the time. We've also made a very meaty receiver bracket, and we've designed this with these loops with these rectangular holes in them, so it's real easy to get the bolt of the gate to engage, and even if the gate sags a little bit, it's still going to work and you don't have to go back there and adjust it. You can see how the components of this latch connect mechanically with no welding right to the tubular framework of the gate, and you can just use a simple combination wrench and 15-20 minutes and you are good to go. Just take a look at these clamps. Number one, they're heavy-duty zinc-plated steel. You can see how big they are here. And they have this flat interior perimeter, and that enables them to firmly grip the tubing of the gate without pinching or damaging it. They also have special flange nuts so that no washers are required. And the bottom surface of the nut right here, you can see that's specially textured so that when it tightens down on the bracket, it makes a good solid connection and doesn't come loose. We know that not every gate setup is the same and everybody has different preferences, so you can just take this 3/4 inch EMT conduit, which you can get at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, any place like that, and just cut it to the length that's going to suit you best. The way we designed this is that the sleeve on the upper bracket is through so that the tube can slide all the way through it. The lower receiver for the handle has a solid bottom so that the tube doesn't go through. Now when you want to open or close the gate, you just simply move the handle left or right and it slides the bolt back, or it slides it into place, and you're good to go. Here's what you get in the set. You get the bolt with the toggle, you get the necessary brackets, and you get 6 clamps. The long piece on the other end here is something that you supply, because we have no idea what length you need, and that's just simply a piece of 3/4 inch standard electrical EMT conduit. Cut it to any length you want.